Nights like these, I'm never catching Z.
Yo, welcome back guys, it's your boy Zambi here with my second unboxing video. Now today, we got $250 worth of a mystery box that's Supreme / Bape. Now this box, it was off of the website 3rd Degree Heat, and let's see how it goes. Alright, so here's just a little message from the 3rd Degree Heat. It says, "Thank you for purchasing our hype box. We hope you enjoy the items. Thanks." So this is their information, basically. Yep. Alright. First thing we got is a Nasty Nas Supreme sticker. Then we got another Supreme sticker. I'm not sure what kind it is, but it looks pretty dope. And then for the accessory, we got a LED mini glow stick. Alright. It's alright. Which, yeah, it's alright. I mean, but everything on Supreme, it usually has a value on it, whether anything. So, yep. Alright, so the first shirt we got is, let's see. Oh, okay. It's their merch basically. It's 3rd Degree Heat, it's their website, it's their merch. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Black tee. Alright. Let's go. Ooh. This shit looks dope. Hey. It's a Supreme lit candle. Man, that's dope. Yep. It's a DS too, so I mean, if you guys are looking to resell and stuff, I believe this shirt goes on for about around $100 on a StockX. But I could be wrong, but I'll post it on the bottom, let you guys know how much it resells for. But hey, that shirt's dope. I like it. Alright. Hey, this shirt, I don't know, I think I like this shirt better than the Supreme shirt. That's pretty dope. I don't know, what do you guys think? So, I'm a size large, but if you guys could see, it says XL. Reason for that is because in the Bape clothing, all their shirts, they run a little smaller. So you're supposed to get a size bigger than what you originally are. So that's why I got an XL. Man, that's dope. Hell yeah. Alright, that's cool. Alright, and that's it. So we got 3 shirts. We got 3 shirts, 2 stickers, an accessory. I don't know. I'm pretty content with this box, to be honest. I believe that that Bape shirt, it goes for around $140, $150 on a StockX right now. So, I mean, yeah. If you guys are looking to resell and whatnot, I mean, those are pretty good shirts right there. They could be better, but I'm pretty content with what I got for a $250 hype box or 30-degree heat box. But yeah, the accessory though, I feel like the accessory could have been a little bit better. It's alright. I'm not sure how much they go for. But yeah, I'd say my favorite item out of that box has got to be the Bape shirt. I don't know. That Bape shirt is dope. I like that Bape shirt. But my least favorite, probably the accessory. But I don't know. All in all together, like, I'm pretty content with what I got, so that's cool. But alright, well, leave a like, leave us like and subscribe, and you know, stay tuned for the next video, guys. Zambi out. Peace.
I'm a ways awake, but it's like I'm in a bad dream.